Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back again. I'm Fad Ahmed with you. In this video we are gonna see how can we create this type of scroll top button. When we click this button we will scroll to the top of the page. So that's it, let's create. At first we will delete this one, then we will scroll down at the bottom of the page. Okay, here at the bottom of this contact form we will take an icon. Okay, now we will make it to stacked. Okay, now we will change the icon. We will search here for up arrow, this arrow, select this one and click to the insert. So here it is. Now we will go to the style tab. Here is the primary color option. We will select the color to this one and the secondary color is white. Okay, now we will change the size to 30 pixel. Then let's go to the advanced tab. From here we will go to the positioning. Here is the width option. We will set it to inline auto. From here we will see the position. We will change the position to fixed. We will make the horizontal orientation right and the vertical orientation will be bottom. Then we will go to the advanced and we will unbind the margin. We will set 20 pixel at the right and 20 pixel at bottom. Okay, now we will go to the top and we will select this area. Click this one. From here the advanced tab we will see a CSS ID here. Copy this ID and click this one. Go to the content. You will see a link option here. Put here a hashtag and then put the CSS ID. Then click to the update button. Okay, now let's preview it. Okay, now let's scroll down. So here is our icon. Now if we click this one, we will go to the top of the page. Alright, this is it for now. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe this YouTube channel. Otherwise, you may not find this kind of valuable video on your home feed next time. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.